horn check. Android, Apple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Android, Apple. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay.
Yeah.
Yes. The car scans the driver. If it detects that the driver is getting sleepy, okay, daan natin dito sa mga palakad. The 360-degree camera really helps you maneuver around this tight traffic. Hey guys, here we have a 2023 Honda CR-V VX 1.5 Turbo. This one is a mid-trim variant, so let's go ahead and hop in for a drive. So this is the interior. Start it up, put on a brake. Now the seats are 8-way power adjustable, and when you start it, it immediately puts you into place to your last driving setting. This is the climate control. Has a nice tactile feel to it. It's all buttons. There's no touch screen, I believe, so it's really easy to use, unlike in some systems wherein it's embedded in the touchscreen, but this one is all here. The steering wheel is leather wrapped with multifunction controls. Here is the cruise control, and this one is for your radio. It also has voice commands right here. The overall layout of the dash is horizontal. It does give a hint of the Civic, but this one feels much more chunkier. Here we have a full digital display, and it shows that I am not wearing my seatbelt, so let's wear our seatbelts. Safety first. There we go. And as I said, this one has Honda sensing, so there's road mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot assist, to name a few. Right, so let's get settled in and drive. So put it in drive. Nothing fancy gear lever selector. Typical Honda to offer easy to use system. So this one is just a regular shift knob. It does have nice wireless charging right here, and a nice storage area. The center console is large as well. Okay, so let us let that hybrid CR-V park first. You can see na this one. This may 360 camera to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
you can click this version.
oh. Off the line, it feels nice and responsive. The ride is also comfortable. The windows are fairly large, and I like how the side mirror is not on the pillar, so you can have more visibility. Okay, so thanks to the 360 camera, it gives us a camera here on the side mirror. We can easily see our blind spots. So this will be just a quick drive around SM Mall of Asia. So if I click a button right here on the end of the wiper stalk, you will be able to access your 360-degree camera, which stays on above 10 kilometers an hour. In some systems, that will immediately turn off. Let's do a horn check. Okay, that was an underwhelming horn. Bakit ganun? Parang liit ng kotse ah.
Gulat din ako. First time ko marinig.
First time, okay.
Mandisal sa likod. Ayaw, maliit lang yan. CR-V pala.
Parang, CR-V ba yung bumusina? Parang hindi naman. So maneuvering this large crossover is fairly large right now. It does feel agile in the streets of Mall of Asia. And this is a brick road. Doesn't feel jarring or anything. And this all-wheel drive trim still has a wood finish, faux wood here, just like with the outgoing model.
Yes.
And I think it's nice. It gives a nice luxury touch. Yung hybrid, ganito rin.
Ano
Hindi,
siya, sir?
parang
Silver.
yun.
Parang ano.
Silver.
Tapos yung base, parang naka-carbon. Napansin niyo kanina, sir.
Yun nga parang ang dark to no?
Yes.
Yes, so every variant, every trim level varies yung trim niya dito.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as with every Honda, this one has brake hold, so even if I don't put it in neutral, the vehicle will stop. It's giving me a signal right there. Okay. Let's turn on the camera because while the windows are fairly large, the hood line is still quite high. This is very helpful. You can also select your views so we can see now we're a little bit close to the taxi. May sport modes ba to? O wala? Econ lang. So, economy lang.
Although ito is for sports na.
Okay. Oh, naka-S pala tayo. Kaya naman pala responsive. Okay, so...
Although yung sa hybrid, may 3 driving modes na rin.
3.
For 1 button on.
Okay, so this one has S on the transmission and paddle shifters. So let's play with some of the features. It does have navigation. Is it working? Oh, it works. Android, Apple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Android, Apple. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So meron. Display mode. Ano yan? Okay, so just the
Kagandaan
settings.
nito, sir. Unlike sa ibang model, ito wireless na.
Oh,
Bluetooth
okay.
connection na lang.
Okay,
Kasi
that's
yung
good.
mga model ni Honda,
May wired pa eh.
yes, like
okay.
BRB, kailangan mo pa siya ng wire to
Okay.
use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.
Okay. Does have an auto dimming rear view mirror right here. These are for your lights, LEDs. On the left panel right here, you have your button to open your lift gate and turn off the traction control, as well as your headlight adjusters. So if you have a heavy load at the cargo and the vehicle is tilting up, you can adjust your headlight so that you won't dazzle oncoming drivers. Automatic windows all around. These are your door locks, and power folding side view mirrors are standard. So this one controls your lane keep assist. This knob is to control this display right here, so we can see instrument display settings. Gauge design. You can choose various display for the gauges. So that right now we are on round. We have bar. That is pretty neat. You have more information displayed. Round cruise. Okay, so this side will be hidden when cruise control is activated. So you have bar and round. Let's stick with round because that one feels much more premium. Okay, you have your trip computer, your navigation. If you have a destination set in the infotainment system, it will show here when to turn right or left. This one is the driver attention level, so the car scans the driver. If it detects that the driver is getting sleepy, it will advise that you need to take a rest and drive safely. We also have a nice gauge meter for the all-wheel drive system. Thanks to the 360 camera. Now, this is my first time driving the CRV, so I haven't calculated the corners yet. The 360 degree camera really helps you maneuver around this tight traffic. So we can see that this car has a full-time all-wheel drive displayed there. Okay, so everyone is wearing their seat belts. We can see that there as well. And you also have your maintenance schedule right there. For the safety support, let's click that. Okay, so let's turn on road departure mitigation. There you go. So here you can control your park assist, parking sensors rather, collision mitigation braking system, and that's the whole Honda Sensing suite of features. I think this is a very realistic test drive kasi with our Metro Manila traffic, this is the most time the CRV will be spending time in. Dual zone automatic climate control, and you can adjust your temperature separately or hit sync, and the driver will be able to set the temperature. So it has 2 camera buttons at the end of the stalks. So this one is for the 360. This one is for the blind spot camera. So this one offers a wider view. So if you're gonna change lanes, very helpful, because when you turn the signal light on, the button is also right here, so you can easily see if you have a blind spot.
Ito naman sir, automatic naman yung once ka mag-signal.
Ah, okay, so this one is automatic.
Pwede mo siyang i-off try mo sir. Pag nag-signal ka ng right,
ah, okay, so yun na yun.
Pero pag naka-on yung 360 cam mo, hindi siya mag-a-appear.
Okay. So I placed it in neutral. I forgot this car has a auto hold.
Sa airbags naman yan sir, yung 6 airbags.
Okay.
Tapos yung ilaw nito sir, tinatouch.
Okay, so it has a tap to... Fit and finish is nice. You have soft touch materials throughout the dash, to the touch points actually. Nice padded armrest. The overall feel is very spacious. Still hard to trust the 360 camera, but it is there to guide us. May ano ang game ata dito.
Ah, may laro ba? NCAA? Kaya pala.
Yeah. Right, so now we are in a covered area and the automatic LED headlights are turned on with fog lights. Katawa talaga yung busina.
Kahit ako sila, ngayon ko lang narinig yung busina niya. Malakas pa yung busina ng motor ko.
Kaya nga eh. Okay, mabigyan na natin si Okavango. Go! Go, Okavango! Plastic pala. Right, so we are now parking the CRV and hit reverse. Camera immediately turns on. Right, so that was a easy to park CRV despite its very large and long size, as you can see right there. Turn it off. AC. Alright. electronic parking brake. Right guys, that was a quick POV drive in the traffic of Mall of Asia with the all new CRV. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Oh, here's the rear of the CRV. Still retains the vertical taillights but with a little bit flare right now. Another indication, this one is the all-wheel drive. It has a badge right there. I also like the rims. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it to your friends as well. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.